I'm Matthew Taylor. I'm from Matthew Taylor Tiling Services. I'm a floor and wall tiler. I've been tiling 20 years. I've been self-employed now 13 years. I do domestic and commercial tiling works. That can range from anything from tiling repairs through to bathroom tiling, kitchen tiling, tiling toilets. Done some large format tiling with book matches, large floors through to high-end tiling. Done all sorts. Using the MAXVAC range of equipment, it does help me quote on different jobs, as in commercial and domestic, because it lets the clients know that we are dust safe and that we have their health and well-being in our minds as well as our own. So, for instance, they know when we're grinding out, we're keeping that dust down low, because dust circulates for a long time, so when we're using the products, they know that we're taking the extra measures to try and keep that dust to a minimum. What I like about the M35 vacuum is it's a very powerful vacuum, which is minimising the dust on site, because you're always going to get dust on sites, but it minimises it down, which is obviously better for your health. The AG125 dust shroud, I like that because the extraction on the dust shrouds is excellent, really keeping the dust down. It allows you to grind in environments where you're going to minimise the dust, which is going to save you sheeting up a lot of the times. So in a car garage where I've got some patching tiles to do, they can still fetch the cars in, they don't have to move all the cars out. It allows me to get on with my job, get set up and minimise the dust, obviously benefiting my health and other people's healths around. With the Waletale, it just minimises the dust on site, so you're always going to get a little bit of dust on site, but it minimises it down to a minimum. I've done a before and an after, and you really see the difference in that. With the core drill shroud, it is a really good piece of kit. So with the core drill shroud and using the vacuums, you get no dust coming up whatsoever. And you can see the suction from the shroud. It's like a hovercraft, it suctions right down, getting no dust coming through whatsoever. So that enables you to use this product in people's homes. I'd certainly recommend MAXVAC's products to fellow people in the trades, fellow tilers, fellow plumbers. Yeah, I've got nothing but praise for the products I've used. Everything's great. The vacuum's very powerful. It's a nice size, fits in the van quite easy. And the dust shrouds, they do what they say. They do minimise dust. You're always going to get some dust on site, but to keep it down to a lower level, it's healthier for me and the other people in the environment, so you're looking out for each other.